Hello, here is interesting app called ViVi Keyboard Theme Maker. So let's try to install it and see how it might work. So there you have it. This is the app, and you can see the size. ViVi Keyboard could be your first choice to give your social media a special experience. Tons of themes. There are amount of different themes such as anime, video games, glitter, neon. If you don't like the original keyboard, you can choose your favorite do-it-yourself own keyboard. It's compatible with a lot of social media apps such as Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, iMessage, WhatsApp. It's convenient to use. There are subscription terms and all of that. But anyhow, let's just explore how it works and all of that. So here is the app. Yeah, you still can use it for free, but of course you need to upgrade for additional functionality. So here you can create your own keyboard, so you can adjust your style, so you can select all these different styles. You can select different type of text. So for example, even blends. So if I like something like that, then change keys. So here you will see like popular keys. Like, okay, so this sounds fun. Then add some additional effects when you're tapping the keys. And then, so yep, that's basically how it works. And then just tap save. Okay, so now of course you need to upgrade or watch ad to unlock it. Okay, so you can just try to watch an ad, and the ad is like, it's a long ad, so it will take like 24 seconds, but anyhow, sorry for that, guys. I'm just really want to show you how this app works and what are all the features. And here's how it works. So now I can save it, and then I can name it, I guess. Or maybe this is just a feedback. Okay, hopefully I saved it. I don't know. Here you also have some hot keyboards, and then there are fonts, then there are text, art, then you can paste something like that. Yeah, so here you need to set up ViVi Keyboard. So go to ViVi Keyboard settings, tap ViVi Keyboard, enable Wi-Fi ViVi Keyboard, and allow full access. So you can just tap Add Now. And after that, so yeah, you will be redirected to your settings app. And yeah, that should be an idea how it works. Okay, for some reason it just takes a lot of time. Oops. So let's just, in the settings app, let's just search for ViVi. Okay, so you don't need to go to ViVi app, so you just, I guess. And then you have keyboards here, and then add new keyboard, and then here it is ViVi Keyboard. So that's what you do. And then, yeah, basically if I want to open any app, so then I can just tap here, and then if I want to type something, I can just tap and hold, and here is ViVi keyboard. And then you just type like this, and then it's kind of fun. You also have emojis here, and yeah, to go back you just need to tap and hold and then switch keyboard, and then you will just go back like that. So yeah, that's the idea. Hope that is helpful. That's the app. You can always just go and edit and remove ViVi keyboard, and of course you can use it on TikTok, on Snapchat, wherever you like, and it just improves your experience. So yeah, here you have fonts, you have themes, you have so that's how it might work, and you can have all these things. So you can just tap and hold, and then you can just copy that like that. So just from here you can just go and paste it in TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter, and then it will just work like that. Yeah, so that's the idea of the ViVi keyboard. Hope that is helpful. Definitely fun app to try. There are a bunch of these keyboard apps here and there, but this seems to be a good one, so give it a try.